Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to Google Earth Studio. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you can access Google Earth Studio using the Chrome browser. And before you can get access to Google Earth Studio and start using it, you must first apply before you get accepted into Google Earth Studio. It usually takes an average of 2 days to get approved to Google Studio. Now, to get started, just go and search for Google Earth Studio. Now, this is the homepage of Google Earth Studio. And as you can see, the URL is google.earth.studio. And we have the option to try Earth Studio. Usually, Google Earth uses animated 3D images to give you a clear view of any place, any town, or any location on Earth. So to apply, just go ahead and click on Try Earth Studio. You have to give your details of your first name, your last name, the email that you intend to use, and then the company. For this case, you can just write individual. And then you also have to provide the country or the region where you come from, and another thing, industry that you are involved in. Now, once you are done, go ahead and click on submit. And once you submit, you'll get this email. We will get back to you soon. In the meantime, check out our documentation. As you wait, you can check out their documentations on how you can use the Google Earth Studio and some of the policies that you shouldn't violate. Now, after 1 or 2 days, you will receive this email welcoming you to Google Earth Studio. And this is what the email says. Great news, you have been invited to preview Earth Studio. To use Earth Studio, simply visit earth.google.com/studio. Please make sure that Google Chrome is updated to the latest version prior to using the tool, or you might run into some unexpected bugs. For all uses of Google Earth imagery, e.g. in print, digital video, film, TV, etc., please refer to our Geo Permissions page. Be sure to check out our documentation for tutorials and more. Note that all use cases of Earth Studio requires on-screen imagery attribution. This is where they put a little watermark on all images. And then you're told, feel free to join our Earth Studio user forums to share your project, ideas, and feedback with us as well as other users. Thank you, Earth Studio team. Now, as you can see, I got this permission on 30th after making an application on 29th. That was an average of 1 day. So it will take you between 1 or 2 days. So let's go and log into our Google Earth Studio using the email that was approved. So let's go on and log in. So we are in. And to stay organized, you have here some steps you can use on how to access the globe anytime, on how to stream your web flow, and a new way to stay organized. So just click on Get Started. And as you can see here, with this service, you can see cities, landmarks, and natural wonders in 3D without having to create a project. So you can dismiss this. And now to create a project or to start your project, just click on Start a New Project. Go ahead and give your project a name. And as you can see, this is the globe. You can play around with it as you wish. Now, from here, you can use to access any part of the Earth. So you can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel on your mouse, and then just use your mouse to play around and access various places on the globe. And should you need maybe to show or to access any location, for instance, we want to access New York City. Just enter New York City. As you can see, it is here. And it will directly take us to New York City. So here's the New York City. We can zoom further and see the aerial view of the city. The image is too pixelated, so give it time to load. Now, as you can see, this is the aerial view of New York City. And you can move around and see everything within this city You can see the roads, you can see the buildings, and even their names, the streets. This is the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. You can zoom even to the streets and you'll be able to see them. For more control, you can use this, and this will help you to tilt around. So you can tilt it up and down just as you wish. For the headings, you can rotate it using the heading, and as you can see, it shows you the degrees under which you are rotating, and this gives you a 360 degrees rotation of any place. So let me move around and play around with it and see the New York City. So you can tilt around, you can zoom in to see. There we go. You can see the streets clearly. So go around and play with it and get access to various places on Earth. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.